Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy a game on Steam with a Visa gift card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm on the Steam website. This can also be done from the Steam application for either your Windows or Mac. So basically, you want to go to the store right here. You can go Discovery Queue. You can do whatever you want on the store, but you need to find the game that you want to purchase. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to browse on the homepage here, just to demonstrate this. So you can see this game here for that's 70% off. I'm going to click on the game. You just click onto any game that you find, and then you scroll down, and then see here it says buy, and then the game name, and then add to cart. So it's going to give you various options, and then want to go ahead and click on add cart. That's going to open up your cart, and then you click here where it says for my account. You can also purchase this as a gift for someone else, but I will leave it as for my account. So now just click on continue to payment, and you will be on this payment page. So now you can see here that need to select your payment method. So you need to select Visa because you're going to have a Visa gift card. Then you can go to your Visa gift card, and it gives you all the information on the card, like 16-digit number, the expiration date, cardholder name, and at the back of card, there's a CVV code. So you just want to enter in all this information here. Put in the card number, expiration, the security code, fill in your billing information, then click on continue, and then you'll be able to purchase that game with your Visa gift card because a gift card works like a traditional debit card. So that's basically how you can buy a game on Steam with a Visa gift card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.